Okay, so here I'm going to show you how to print sublimation with the Silhouette Studio, rather. So you do not need a machine with Silhouette to print from Silhouette. Some people are having a problem printing from their Cricut. It only allows them to do so much. I'm going to show you how to print from Silhouette. So over here, we are going to start with our page setup. So since we're not using our machine, we put none, and we are not using a cutting mat, so we're going to put none. And our media size, we're going to put to custom. Now, to whatever size print that you want to print, we can make that 8.5 by 11. Then I can come over here and I can take my grid off so that way you can see. So now let me just import a picture real quick. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'm going to use this one real quick. So if I click on it, I'm going to see up here my actual size of it. You can either take a corner and slide, but what you do not want to do is grab from the side or the bottom and stretch it. Okay, so if I accidentally do something that I want to take back, if you're a Silhouette user, you're going to Control Z, and that'll take you back to your next step. Okay, so now I have my image the size that I would like, and what you're going to do, you're going to go over here to Print Page Setup. And you see right here, if I was printing 11 by 17, I would need to come over here and adjust this. Excuse me. So now I have the print page set up. So now I can Control P for print. Okay, this gives you a print preview from Silhouette. So if you like that, and if you need to scroll down and see a little bit more, so I'm going to press print, then it's going to bring me to my printer, my print preferences. So here I have my sawgrass, and I would click that. And if you want to, you can check your preferences. And then if not, you can go ahead and this is for the sawgrass for all my settings. So that's good. And then I could click apply and then print, and then it will print for you. Up here, you would need to select which printer you would need. And then okay, I also have a YouTube video showing where I printed from 8.5 by 11 and I made a garden flag. There's step-by-step instructions on that. I'll give you a quick rundown since this is part of how to print sublimation with Silhouette. You can I would probably need about 6 of the 8.5 by 11s. So you would duplicate this 6 times. And I will show you why. Just a real quick. Okay. So say I have 6 of them. I'm only going to show you a few, and you can go to that tutorial if you would like. So basically what you're going to do is, this is my 8.5 by 11. This is what my sublimation printer prints. So I'm going to go to the corner, or I'm going to come right over by here, and I'm going to select both, and then I am going to crop. Okay. There I have one piece. I'm going to come back over. I like to line it up if I need to, or see exactly where I need to go. And what you're going to do is you are going to overlap just a little bit. So that way, whenever you cut, you can line up.